Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In today's video, we will be learning how to contact support on Monopoly Go. To contact support in Monopoly Go, first of all, launch open the Monopoly Go application on your mobile device, and once you're in the home screen, click on the three horizontal bars at the top right corner. In the expanded section, tap on the Settings button. Inside Settings, click on Customer Service. You will then end up in this FAQ page where you can select a category for your issue, such as if you have a billing issue, technical support, or account issues. Select one of the options and you will be able to choose from More FAQs in order to find the solution for your problem. If you didn't find the article helpful, you can swipe all the way down and tap on the Chat with Us button. You can then go ahead and write down your message to get help on a specific problem. Then you will be able to get related response in order to get your issue fixed. By following these steps, you will be able to reach out Monopoly Go support team for any help or issues you are facing. But always make sure to check the FAQ sections if you see your issue has already been addressed before contacting the support. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.